This sweatshirt's estimated monthly revenue last month was over $12,000, and let's say with a conservative profit margin of 15%, this sweatshirt brought in $1,800 in profit. This custom puzzle brought in over $36,000 in revenue, and again with a profit margin of 15%, let's say, it brought in over $5,000. This custom pet ornament brought in $26,000, and with a 15% profit margin, the total profit for last month was $3,905. If you've ever wanted to start an online business but felt overwhelmed by inventory, website creation, or high startup costs, this could be the easiest way to get started in 2026. Print on Demand with Etsy lets anyone sell physical products online without touching inventory or spending thousands up front. You can make extra side money or even replace your 9 to 5, and you can get started right away. Print on Demand is exactly what it sounds like. Instead of ordering products in bulk and hoping they sell, products are only printed after a customer places an order. Here's how it works in simple terms. You create a design and put it on a product. You list the product on a selling platform like Etsy. A customer searches for something on Etsy, finds your listing, and places an order. The order gets automatically sent to a print provider who prints and ships it directly to your customer. And then you keep the profit after material costs and Etsy fees. The print provider is the company that actually produces and ships the product for you, so you don't need to handle any of it yourself. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly print providers is Printify. Printify integrates directly with Etsy, so when you receive an order, it's automatically sent to them. They handle the printing, packaging, and shipping, so you don't have to do anything like manage factories, hold inventory, or deal with logistics. And here's the key benefit. You don't pay for anything until after the customer has already paid you. Think about that for a second. It means you can start selling without taking on any upfront financial risk. You're only paying for products after you've sold them. Once everything is set up and connected, your store can run pretty much on autopilot. That doesn't mean zero work. You're still responsible for creating designs, optimizing listings, and customer service, but it does mean you're building a system instead of manually fulfilling orders every day. It's a simple, low-stress way to run an online business without dealing with the messy operational parts of traditional retail. Now let's talk about Etsy. In 2025, over 88 million people shopped on Etsy. That's free organic traffic you can sell to. And here's the thing. These buyers aren't just browsing, they're actively searching for products and are ready to purchase. So instead of spending time and money trying to drive traffic to a website from scratch, you're putting your products directly in front of people who are already looking. Etsy also comes with built-in trust. Buyers know the platform, they trust the checkout process, and that makes it much easier for beginners to get their first sales. Pretty much overnight, Etsy gives you access to a huge audience that would take months or even years to build on your own. So why does this still make sense today? Let's break it down. Reason 1, low startup cost. You don't need inventory, you don't need a warehouse, you don't need to buy products up front. You can start small, test ideas, and improve over time without risking a lot of money. Reason 2, physical products still matter. People still love tangible products, especially for gifts, events, or for themselves. Print on Demand lets you sell customized, niche products without holding stock. Reason 3, you don't need to be an artist. Some of the best-selling POD products on Etsy are simple text-based designs, and what matters just as much, if not more than creativity, is understanding what people actually want to buy. Also, there are several design programs such as Canva and Kittl that have pre-made editable templates that make it very fast and easy to create something very professional that sells. Reason 4, it scales with skill, not time. One good design can sell hundreds or thousands of times. You're building assets, not trading hours for dollars. That's the real power of this business model. Print on Demand is great for beginners, side hustlers, people with limited time, anyone who wants an online business without tech overwhelm, but it's not for everyone. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's not passive income overnight, and it does require consistency. If you're willing to learn, improve, and stay consistent, this business model can work very well for you. Most beginners fail because they guess what to sell. Instead of guessing, successful sellers use data. This is where tools like EverBee come in. EverBee helps you research Etsy listings, estimate demand, and understand competition before you ever upload a product. It doesn't guarantee success, but it gives you a huge advantage over blind guessing. What really matters is understanding buyers, creating high quality listings, and consistency over time. This is a marketplace game, and learning how Etsy works is the biggest advantage you can have. You do not need thousands of designs, you do not need paid ads to start, you do not need to undercut competitors on price, you do not need to be on every social media platform. Most people fail because they overcomplicate things instead of focusing on the basics. On this channel, I show you exactly how this works in real life. I teach you how to open your shop, list products the right way, see what's working, and avoid beginner mistakes, all for free. No hype, no guru nonsense, just practical step-by-step guidance that actually works. If you're brand new, I'll leave links below to the tools I personally use, including Printify for fulfillment, Canva and Kittl for design, and EverBee for Etsy research. And if you want to learn the best way to create high-quality listings on Etsy that actually convert, watch this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.